Good morning, everyone. This is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Hopefully you guys are doing great and having a great day out there. And we're about to get started. We're still in Hoi An, ancient town, and it looks like the markets are turning. It looks like we could have a better day coming for you all. So this is a great time to be alive. And let's jump into the news. And things are coming up. Bitcoin's above 50,000 again. Ethereum is looks like Ethereum is taking the lead in terms of pumping up the markets, this and that. So that's kind of positive. That's kind of pretty good in the house, guys. So that's looking very, very fantastic, very positive. So you should all be psyched about that. And I think this is a calm before the storm, and things are going to start to take off really soon, guys. So yeah, I'm just up here on a day trip with the family, and I'm going to be going back home a couple more hours, and yeah, so just chillaxing, relaxing, and much love in the house, guys. So let's jump into the content, and we got lots to talk about, guys. We got some. It looks like Amazon, is going to be aping into crypto. So finally, Amazon's aping into crypto, and that's really bullish news. So we're going to jump into that. We're going to talk about Bitcoin price, and you need to zoom out on Bitcoin. Yesterday as I talked about on my tweet with Twitter, we had it seems that every day around about 8 p.m. Singapore time, we have this huge whale that kind of dumps. We had a bit of a dump yesterday, and things have come up since that dump, and it's just a lot of whalish games in the house, guys. So if you look at the fear and greed index in the house right now, you can see that the fear and greed is pretty much, people are still fearful. Yesterday was at 28, only slightly came up in the last 24 hours. And, we're seeing that a lot of the retail investors are sitting on the sidelines right now, so that's not good. But we're seeing that, a large amount of the whales and the institutions are still buying up crypto, still buying up the biddy in the house, And we got the alien, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the likey, subscribe, YB, and show some love for the OG in the house. You want to get it. And it looks like, as of time of recording, the markets are down only about 1%. So it's kind of a red bear day mixed with a green Dino day. So we don't know who's going to come out on top. Is it going to be the Dino? Is it going to be the red bear? So we don't know. So as I was saying, we're seeing that, a lot of the retail investors are sitting on the sidelines right now. And that's unfortunate because the whales and the institutions and the people that know what's going on in this game are actually starting to buy up. And right now the retail investors, if they sit on the sidelines too much, they're going to miss a huge buying opportunity because the top is not in. The top is absolutely not in for Bitcoin. The top is not in for Dogecoin. The top is not in for Shiba Inu and the other altcoins. And we're seeing right now that if you look at the Ethereum dominance right now, Ethereum is leading the pack in terms of its recovery. So let's just take a look at Bitcoin and we jump into it. And we saw yesterday that we had this huge about an 8% dump yesterday, and I did tweet just before this dump came out that this would happen. And this whale, he dumps every day around by 8 p.m. Singapore time, and it's like clockwork. He just keeps doing it, and the whalish games are still happening. We're still seeing it happening for Bitcoin. And right now, if we just zoom out, we can see that Bitcoin is really just going pretty much. It's going pretty much sideways right now, and that's kind of really, really irritating in the house. So, it's just going sideways, and that's really becoming a little bit frustrating for some people. And, there's nothing we can really do. You can see here on the 4 hours, it's just going sideways. And if we change that to the 15-minute, it's also just been going sideways. It's just, nothing's really happening. It's just kind of going sideways. Sure, we had that dip yesterday, but overall, it's just been kind of going pretty much sideways inside this channel. So we're just gonna have to hold on and wait and expect some volatility. But once again, the retail investors, they really need to get off their seats, and they need to unbuckle, and they need to start buying into the crypto market, because if they don't do that, it's going to be too late. And we're still seeing that the amount of exchange, the amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum on exchanges is extremely low right now. So this is not helping. And we can see that here that after each liquidation event in 2021, Bitcoin has ranged sideways and tested liquidation low before moving on. So we're seeing exactly the same thing. We saw, after Bitcoin had a dump, we just see it going sideways. We're seeing that here and here and here. So that's what's happening right now. We had this dump, and we're going to see ourselves going sideways. Most likely outcome to me is sideways chop, boredom, and the sweep of the low. So we're going to see that Bitcoin's going to be sweeping between, you know, like anywhere between like 42 and 50,000, and this could go on for literally weeks, guys. So you guys have to buckle up, get prepared for that. But the huge news in the house right now, it seems that Amazon backs Wax blockchain collectibles platform DOGE right now. So this is kind of cool in the house, guys. Absolutely cool that Amazon is finally jumping into crypto, and its first play is with DOGE, which is basically you can have fractional earnings. You can have fractional earnings on NFTs. So basically, DOGE is a marketplace. Let me just get that up for you. So basically, what DOGE do is real-time fractional card market. So let's say you have this baseball card of you know, whoever this is, Luna, whoever. Remember, I'm not a big baseball fan, so don't beat me up in the baseball community out there. So basically, what you can do here is you can divide up your, you know, baseball cards and this and that into fractional parts, and then you can sell them as NFTs, and you can sell fractionals online. So this is kind of cool. So you can buy, sell, and collect. But what is the really big news is here is that Amazon has decided that they are going to invest and be a partner in this with DIBS. So this is very cool, guys, because as we can see that Amazon, they hired a whole crypto blockchain team, and you know, is this the beginning where, you know, could Amazon get its own token? Could Amazon start its own crypto? Maybe, or at least maybe Amazon is going to start accepting payment. Now you can buy things on Amazon through BitPay, which is a third party using a credit card. But that's not the same as if, you know, you take your wallet and you scan it and you transfer directly from your wallet to Amazon. But this is really huge in the house that Amazon backs Wax blockchain collectibles platform DIBS. So this is cool, guys. Absolutely cool. So guys, take a look at Wax coin in the house, and you know, we could see that Wax is definitely going to go up. So let's just jump into Wax right now and see exactly where Wax is. So let's jump into it, guys. So we can see right now, Wax in the last 24 hours is up 28%. So a lot of that has to do with this announcement from Amazon. So this is really huge, and this is really big. So guys, have to keep an eye on Wax, guys. This is big. This is really big news. You know, this is proof positive that Amazon is aping into crypto, guys, and this is cool. Some other stuff is coming out right now. You see that Hong Kong-based VC Sharon Partners launched $50 million fund dedicated to Terra. And that's another reason why we're seeing Luna is absolutely on fire right now. So you can see that Luna is up 9%. And one of the reasons that Luna is up right now, and you can see that Terra right now is the fourth largest stablecoin, and that is huge, guys. And we're seeing that there's been a huge wide adoption. And if you look at the market cap of Terra right now, 8.5 billion in the house is the market cap. And if you compare that with the third largest stablecoin, which is USDC, you can see that is at 40 billion. And then we have USDT at 77 billion. So this is huge. And then you also have the BNB USD, which is also at right now 13 billion. So you're seeing that the UST Terra is now at 8.5 billion. So, you know, we could see that this could actually overtake BNB very soon, guys. So this is huge in the house, and that's why we're seeing Terra is absolutely moving and why Terra is also on fire. Right now, we also have the crypto executives are defending the crypto industry and oversight to Congress right now. So a number of officials from Coinbase, FTX, they're all talking to the House Financial Subcommittee and led by Maxine Waters. And they're talking about what is crypto, what is blockchain, and how important is that for innovation for the future of crypto space, and also the innovation of the U.S. in terms of blockchain technology. So hopefully that Congress will listen, and you know, before they have any huge regulation for crypto, that they will listen to the experts, and they're going to taper back and pull back their actually regulations, because you know, we still have this whole infrastructure bill, and that's not looking good for anybody, and that is not good, guys. So this is what's happening, and this is the basic news roundup. Some more news that's coming in, and we can jump into it, is Bitcoin hash rate returns to all-time high levels. So right now, after the global hash rate of Bitcoin dropped as low as 84 terabytes in June, remember that's when all the miners in China shut down and everything. We're seeing that it's now recovered, and we're seeing that that's now at 155 exahashes this week. So this is good. This is very good. And as we see that the miners exahashes and the hash rate increases, we should start to see Bitcoin price go uppity up, guys. So this is cool. This is absolutely cool news. So let's take a look at Bitcoin once again. So Bitcoin right now is trading at 50,511. So it's up from where it was here in Asia. In Asia, it went down to 49 in the house. So that's looking pretty bullish here. And right now it's 49,000 on the Bitfinex chart. And look at the Doge price right now. We're still seeing that it's trading at around 17.5, and it's right here where we have been before. And every time we hit that, we have a huge bouncy upside. And the only thing that's stopping Doge from bouncing, having a huge bouncy upside, and the alien says a huge bouncy upside, is the fact that we need Bitcoin to take off, guys. So that's what we need to do. We need Bitcoin to take off. And, so where is Bitcoin? Why is Bitcoin not taking off? It's just being held back by the whales, guys. It's absolutely being held back by the whales. So if we look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart right now, we can see that Bitcoin right now is still trending in a downward trend, and we really need Bitcoin to pull out of this downward trend and really start to cycle up. And we've got some resistance at 52. So right now, once again, Bitcoin is at 49,126. The other important thing to know is we're still below the 21-day EMA, which is not good in the house. It's absolutely not good. We really need that to start coming up, guys. So we can see Shiba Inu right now is trading approximately around about 36.50, and it's really important that that Shiba Inu needs to get above the 37, the 0.00037, which is the 62% Fibonacci level, and if we don't see that, we could start to see that there could be more downward pressure on Shiba Inu, and that could send Shiba Inu way down below the support level. So we have the support level coming in right about here, guys, and that support level is at 36.54. So right now Shiba Inu is at 36.56. So if Shiba Inu does not get above this level right here, which is at 33.67, this is where we have major support right now, and we're looking exactly at the 62% Fibonacci level. And if we don't get past that Fibonacci level, we're going to see Shiba Inu absolutely could go down and retest this support level. And we don't want to see that happening. I don't want to see that. You don't want to see that happening. So let's take a look at the info block for Dogecoin right now. So we're seeing that. Let me just give this a minute to refresh. So we're seeing right now that Dogecoin on the info block right now is looking at. We're seeing that Dogecoin is down right now. It's down almost 0.5%, and it's 17.6. 55% are out of the money. 44% are in the money. Let's take a look at the info block for Bitcoin in the house right now too. We're seeing Bitcoin right now is at 49,193. It's down 1.54%. But we're still seeing around about 74 of all the Bitcoin holders in the house is uppity up, and only 21% is down, guys. Shiba Inu is down at 1.59. And like I said, Shiba Inu needs to stay above the 365 level, which is 62% Fibonacci level. And if we don't do that, we're going to go down to 33. Absolutely. We're seeing that 58% of the Shiba Inu holders are in the money right now. So let's take a look at the market cap right now. So the market cap right now in the house is 2.39 trillion. We're down about 1%. The volumes are 87.67 billion. And the Bitcoin dominance is coming down, and we're seeing that the Ethereum dominance is coming up. And right now the Bitcoin is at 49,273. It's down 2.1%. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is at $4,313 in the house right now. So that is looking, it's not looking so good, but it's better than where it was yesterday when we saw that Ethereum was way down, and now it's come back up again. Now BNB was above $600 this morning. It's gone down. It's now still up 1.57% compared to what it was yesterday. It's at 594. Solana is getting beaten up. It's $188, and that's at 54 cents. ADA is also down. It's also getting beaten up. DOT is down. It's $28, and it's at down 2.39%. Luna is still on fire, and as I said, it's because we had that $50 million VC capital going into it, and then we also have the UST Terra that's also on fire right now. And Doge is down 1%. It's at 17.8. Avalanche is also down at 89. It's at $89, and that's down 0.5%. Shiba Inu is also down 1%, guys. So overall, things are not looking good. It's pretty much pretty much a disastrous day again in crypto. And right now we're down around about 1%. So what do I expect? I expect that we're just going to continue riding the sideways wave for some time, guys. So that's what's going to happen, guys. Don't panic. We're still going to move up, guys, and just don't panic. I know it's pretty boring, and it's pretty, the doldrums, and a lot of retailers are standing on the sidelines, and this is not the time to be standing on the sidelines. This is the time to be dollar cost averaging, accumulating as much as you can, because the cryptos are going to rip and tear and go to the moon soon, guys. And that includes metaverse and all this kind of stuff. Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu, everything is going to go up. Once that fear and greed starts to turn, when we start to move into greed, guys. Remember, only a month ago we were in a greed. We're in extreme greed, and now we are only in fear, guys. So don't panic, guys. So this is the OG in the house, and just telling you guys, do not panic. And guys and gals, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Follow. Join the cool club. Join the happiness team. Follow me on Twitter, guys. Don't forget to go down there. Smash the likes. Subscribe. YB in the house. You want it. Get it. And don't forget to comment. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to go and check over the Wifey's channel right now. You're gonna love it. She's gonna love it. And go get on over there. Subscribe, show some support. Don't forget to check the merch, guys. We've got tons of merch. We've got hats. We've got mugs. Get the love mug. Get the mug. And stock up for Christmas, guys. Absolutely stock up for Christmas. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. God bless you all. Merry Christmas. Woo!